Hello viewers, welcome back again to the new video. First time apps download now, video description. Sign up your account, continue with Facebook and continue with Google. I am use Google account, then select your any Gmail account, complete your mGAMER account and subscribe our YouTube channel. How to earn by referral, unlimited referral earning. Okay, first time I'm just click down play time. 1 minute complete 30 coin, 2 minute complete 31 coins and 3 minute complete 33 coins. Apps tax offer, survey offer. Okay, I'm just click down app set. Open this one app, install first time and open and use 1 minute and complete 74 coins. Okay, survey offer, unlimited all company survey company offer. Any offer complete, you're very easy. Okay, lucky draw, lucky winner, join lucky winner group. Okay, 100 coins free, get free option. I'm just click on successfully join lucky winner option. 53% fail it. Okay, and I am back again now. Unlimited offer available, games play and quiz options. Okay, I'm just click down play quiz, general knowledge. Okay, unlimited quiz available and unlimited PayPal cash earning. Okay, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and I'm just click down games option. More tags available, 2 ticket earning. Okay, winner ticket working, video tags. Okay, 1 video watch, 1 ticket earning and a referral option. And I'm just click down reward options, payment method. Okay, PayPal only available, 19,000 coins $2 and 43,000 coins $5. PayPal cash available, 100% legit earning apps, do not miss. Okay, thanks for watching my video and subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel. New update share.